What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update, December 4th, Friday. As I said, that 97 I thought was going to be the high. If I'm 10 off, I'm 10 off. 04 half was your high. That was right on the 6 p.m. print, and we've kind of held back down since. Now, this could always reverse, and we could travel back up. Upside targets 46.22 and 34 basically, or 35 really. And I'll show you those levels in a second. Downside, 72 right here would be probably the big number, and I'll show you on the hourly why I say that. Below that, I have no clue. There is so much just shit traffic in here that any of these levels could hold. So really what I'm watching is the 4,500. So we lose this 4,500, and then we retrace and get all, we are going to clean up all of that. I mean, we have broken auctions down to 44.20. So, and then we'd come back into this, that 44.28, 25 area is going to be substantial. 4444 is your 100-day. So that could also be something. I wouldn't worry about that today. That's 86 points down to the 4,500. So it would take a monster just to get down to that level. So again, I would expect if we dip down and pass 72, then we would get stopped into some of this traffic here. The 60 level, I think 62 level would be pretty good. Again, I don't know. 73 is my green line. We did dip below it, but this thing has been buoyant, and this thing really holds. I mean, if you backtrack this, here we were when we got below it, we had that correction. Base came up, we got above it, and we've stayed above it. I mean, dip, dip, pop, straight up. The problem with these is as it goes up, this goes up with it. So at some point it breaks, and this is where you get corrections. And I'm not saying bull or bear market. I'm not saying a crash. I'm just saying that when you go up 5 straight weeks, this is beyond, in my mind, a crazy move. This has gone beyond way that I thought that this bounce off this level would be. I was expecting a 50%, but I mean, it just shows, what I think is irrelevant. So, but yeah, we came up. Here's your typical bounce, right? And then back down. Then you would have bounced into here, and then we popped into here. Thought maybe double top, and then we just continued to go. So bulls are celebrating, and that's great. And if you like trading from the long side, then this has been a great 5 weeks for you. I'm just saying be cautious, because in my mind, this is, even if it's a bull market, we're still going to have to retrace before you're going to have to shake out the weak longs before you bounce back into whatever the highs are. So everyone's calling Santa rally and everything else, and now everyone was bullish. Gold last night went up 150 or $130, and now it's red. Celebrating Bitcoin, that's up at 42,000. We'll see about that. Anytime everybody starts screaming one way, I decide that that's probably it, and everybody's a bull now. So I'm just be cautious. I could still be wrong, but in my opinion, this is exhausted. Again, your euro's already turned. That turned last week, and it's red again today. Not extensively, but so we'll see. I don't know. Stay vigilant. Try not to have bias. I'm trying my best not to. ES down 14, Dow down 80, NQ down 66. So we'll see. Again, all talk right now is Bitcoin and the fact that gold crushed everyone's hearts overnight. So anyway, I'll be in the room.